At some point in the life of your security system, you may have to replace the batteries in your Glassbreak detectors. The battery life of a Glassbreak detector can vary based on extreme temperature environments. Your Glassbreak detector is equipped with a low battery technology that will send a low battery signal to your keypad to alert you before the battery gets too low. Be sure to contact us about putting your system on test before replacing your batteries. Removing the cover from your Glassbreak detector can be done by lifting up from the bottom of the cover. Remove the old battery and replace it with a fresh one. Be sure to insert the battery in the correct orientation. Snap the lid back on the Glassbreak detector and perform a sensor reset at your keypad in order to clear the low battery warning. Once the sensor reset is complete, be sure to contact us about taking your system off test. Glassbreak detectors use 3-volt lithium batteries CR123, which can be purchased at any electronics retailer or from your security provider. Be sure to recycle your used lithium batteries in accordance with your state and local guidelines. If you have any questions or problems with your system, feel free to give us a call.